Hey everyone, welcome to another weekly vlog. I'm starting this vlog in a cafe in Oslo, Norway. I'm drinking a chai tea in the biggest mug, which is absolutely delicious. And I'm here with my mummy. We found the cutest little cafe, it's amazing. I want to live here. Look how cool this is. Love it so much. We got here yesterday lunchtime and we checked into our hotel and had a little wander around, but we were quite tired, so I didn't start the vlog then, but I'm going to vlog all day for the rest of the week. We've got My Favourite Murder. The reason we're here is because we're going to see My Favourite Murder live, which is incredible. It's my favourite ever podcast and they're doing live shows in Europe. So we're seeing them here in Oslo on Wednesday, and then Sweden on Friday, and then London on Saturday. So yeah, it's going to be a busy week, but really looking forward to it. We are looking to get a city bus around, a tour around, but we just missed it. So now we found ice cream. I've got some frozen yogurt. I topped it with pecans, blueberries and fudge, like cheese seeds I think. But we've still got like 15 minutes to waste, so we should just go sit in the sun somewhere. We jumped off the city bus to go to a Viking ship museum, which was nice. Had a good old shop in the museum, what's it called? Gift shop. And now we've just jumped off again to come to Aker Bridge, which is like a waterside town. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like just glistening seas, those gorgeous boats, and loads of like cafes and stuff. So I think we're gonna go and find somewhere to have a glass of wine perhaps. Should be nice. Oh my god, look at these little doggies. He's so cute. Oh. We've just come back to the hotel to get changed and freshen up before dinner tonight. We've booked a table at a really nice looking place nearby, like on the road we're staying on. We walked past it and it looks like a circus, so I'm really looking forward to going in there. We also popped into a newsagent's and picked up, well, we wanted a nice drink to have just whilst we got ready, and the only thing we found that wasn't beer is this. It's called Aloha, and apparently it's a Waikiki Beach classic cocktail.
Is it?
Waikiki.
Not Wahiki. I know Wahiki. I don't know Waikiki.
Waikiki. Mango and ananas, which is mango, a pineapple in French. And it's delicious. It's actually quite dangerous because it's so nice and very easy to drink. So we're going to have this, I'm going to get changed, and then we're going to go out. Here it is, Pincho. Got some nice circusy things going on. Yeah!
What is going on here?
This is so cute. I'm the worst vlogger ever. I forgot to vlog our food, and our food looks so good, but we stuffed our faces with it. But we just ordered seconds of our favourite dish. I've got some spring rolls. We've just ordered a cherry bomb cocktail, which is really cute and comes with these. We've just been having a walk around. It's so nice in here. Apparently there's loads of these in Scandinavia. I think it started in Denmark. Look how cool this is. This is where you collect your food. You order it all online. It's so dead in here as well. Look how beautiful this is. I'd love to have my birthday party here. If you're in Norway, you should definitely come here. I'm in bed. We had the nice dinner and then we came home. We've been watching Eurovision whilst we wind down, but I need to go and brush my teeth and put my teeth whitening in now, so I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a live show of My Favourite Murder. Oh, me and my mum booked an escape room as well, which is around the corner from our hotel. So never done an escape room with just 2 people before, so it could either be hilarious or really terrible. We'll update you tomorrow. Hello guys, it's Wednesday today. I think it's about midday. We had a little bit of lay-in. I also went to the hotel gym this morning to see what equipment they had. Did some aerial conditioning. We've now come to a little cafe for a pastry and a chai latte before we do our escape rooms which I'm really looking forward to. Look how big the cinnamon bun is. It's humongous, it's like bigger than my head. Got a big chai latte too, which I've already spilled everywhere. So we completed the escape room. She let us have a little bit more time. I think we got out 5 minutes after the hour, but it was still fun. I think we were quite impressed that we did it
Without the boys or
without, yeah, because normally we do it with 5 people and there was only 2 of us, but we did really well, I thought. And the room was really good. It was all pirate themed and there were so many rooms in there as well. So every time a new door like secretly opened, we were like, what? But it was really good. Now we've come to a restaurant outside in the sun. I've got myself a glass of white wine and some lunch. I've got burrata with some tomatoes and rocket. I just got really worried that loads of people would pass out at once because it's so hot, but it's actually an ambulance teaching people CPR, which I think is a great idea here in Oslo. What's the best one?
I don't know actually, I didn't eat it before, so...
Toffee.
Yeah.
Thank you so
that's
much.
it. Thank you for my
I'll remember this. Thank you. I did it. I saved him. Thank you. Thanks. Oh God. We've come to a bar called Angst Bar in the centre of Oslo. It's quite near the theatre we're going to tonight. It's so cute. Neon signs, so many fairy lights. Beautiful. I'd highly recommend coming here if you come. We are now at the theatre. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look at this. We're so close to the front. I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever been so excited in my life. We've got some wine. I think it starts in about half an hour. I've got some wine. Here's my wine. Oh my God, can I just say Norway is so expensive. I've never been to a place so expensive in my life. I'm like, yeah, I'm very excited right now. And we're so close to the front, look.
Of our clothes and appearance and our non-professional demeanor, and please stay sexy and don't get murdered.
Hello everyone, it's Thursday today. We are currently on the train to the airport because we are going to Stockholm today, which we're both very excited about. Oh my God, there's the cutest little dog down there. I can't even look up there. The show last night was amazing. Wasn't it good? Did you enjoy it? It was really good.
Really good.
I think Karen and Georgia were a little bit tired because they got to the UK from America and then had 2 shows and then had to go straight there. They lost their luggage. Their luggage got lost on the plane. So that Karen was wearing her pajamas, which was great. And they did 2 Norwegian murders, which was very interesting. I don't know if they recorded it for the podcast, but we'll see. Yeah, we've got today in Stockholm and tomorrow. We've got the second show tomorrow night, and we've also got VIP, so we get to meet the girls as well, which I'm really looking forward to. And then we're flying home on Saturday morning, and then we've got the London show on Saturday night. We're getting on the plane. Okay. Whee! This is a better view. We've just got to our hotel in Stockholm. It's called the Hobo Hotel. It's actually really cool. It reminds me, it's like very Shoreditch. This is the room. Got these really cool little bits in here. Got a little chaise long wardrobe and a nice view of Stockholm. We're on the 7th floor. There's a lot of like roadworks going on around here at the moment. And this is the bathroom. Nice big shower. I also really like these soap and lotion. Very nice. Some kind of filming's happening next to our hotel. It's a massive film crew. I wonder what it is. So we had a chill at the hotel and I washed my hair, and then we walked like half an hour to find a restaurant, and we ended up choosing a place called Grill. It is really cool in here. It's kind of like themed. It's like we're sitting in the like scary library, and then there's like a carnival that way, and then there's a ballroom that way, and then tiki room the other way. It's really, I'm going to try and film some bits for you. I've also got a really nice cocktail, whiskey based maple syrup cocktail. I have got salad, chips and a piece of steak. Guys, I forgot to vlog my breakfast and now I'm feeling really guilty. Me and my mum walked like, how long did this take? 20 minutes, probably 20 minutes to walk to this place that I've heard lots about to have breakfast, and breakfast was so amazing that I ate it without showing you, and now I feel really bad, but I took a good picture, I'll show you that. I've also had a latte, which is also now finished, and a Bloody Mary now, which I've almost finished, but it's really nice in here. Can you show them the wallpaper?
So I think this is what Swedish people think of London. So basically it's all the iconic buildings in London accompanied by having a wee against a tree, the homeless and yobs in the park. That's what London is.
Funny. Here was my breakfast. I had a vegetarian, like full English, and my mum had banana French toast, which was incredible. I haven't even edited this picture. How good is it? Love it. We've come to the Vasa Museum, which is this ship sunk in the 1600s, and they found it in the 1900s, and now it's here, and it's so cool. So this is a replica of what the ship looked like when it was set sail and made, and now it just looks like a ghost ship, doesn't it? Oh my god, I love it. Whoa. This place is amazing. If you ever come to Stockholm, you have to come and see this. They've even got the skeletons of some of the people that they found trapped on board, like this guy, and they've got loads of information about, obviously they're making up the names for them because they'll never, apparently they didn't do an inventory of who was on the ship, but they've found so much out about their kind of person and their diet and stuff by their skeletons. Very interesting. So that's the skeleton I just showed you. We came back from the ship. We also had a little drink in their cafe outside in the sun, which was nice. And now we've just come back to get ready for tonight. Tonight is the Sweden My Favourite Murder live show, and it's the one that we've got VIP tickets for, so we're going to meet Karen and Georgia today, and I'm really excited. I'm quite nervous though, so yeah, we're going to go now. I'm wearing this dress from Primark. It is like an off the shoulder. I think I look very Swedish in this. House dress with my wedgies that I've been wearing all week. We're so close to the front. I've got my VIP badge as well.
Hi! What's your name? Can I
Oh, sorry.
What's your
Oh no, take your photo first.
So we are back at the hotel now. We met them, they were so lovely. I can't even remember what we spoke about, but they were both really great, and I told them that we were coming to see them tomorrow as well. Georgia at the Oslo show was talking about how she bought Sudocrem, but she didn't know what it was for. She just read that it was amazing. So I was like, it's great. You can use it on burns, acne, sunburn, whatever, eczema, on your sneeze. It's like 11 o'clock. We have to be up at like 4 in the morning to get our plane back to London for like tomorrow morning. like 9ish. So I'm going to end this vlog now. I really hope you have enjoyed this. Sorry if it hasn't been a great travel vlog. I keep forgetting, being a worse vlogger, keep forgetting that it's work and just instead enjoying my holiday, but hopefully I've captured some bits. I'm definitely going to be writing up a blog post on like 24 hours in Stockholm, what to do, etc., and the same with Norway. So I'll leave a link to my blog down below so you can go and check that out. But yeah, love you lots, love you lots, and I will see you on Sunday.